How to move snaps into My Eyes Only. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you want some of your snaps to keep extra private, then Snapchat has the My Eyes Only feature for you. Let's go ahead and see how it works. Open the Snapchat application on your device. You will be led to the camera. Swipe up and now select the picture that you want to move to My Eyes Only. For instance, if I want to move this picture to My Eyes Only, then firstly tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen. You will see the option for My Eyes Only. Tap on that. Now enter your My Eyes Only passcode if you have already set up My Eyes Only on Snapchat. You will get a pop-up asking if you want to move to My Eyes Only. Tap on Move and your snap will be moved to My Eyes Only. If you have not set a passcode for My Eyes Only, then you will be asked to set up a passcode first. So set the passcode and your My Eyes Only will be all set. Just in case if you have forgotten the passcode or want to change the passcode, then go back and tap on My Eyes Only. You will see options there. Tap on that. Now tap on Change Passcode to change your passcode and tap on Forgot Passcode if you have forgotten the passcode. You will be asked to follow a few steps like firstly entering your Snapchat account password. So go ahead and follow the steps and you will be able to change your passcode. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.